Imagine waking up one morning to find out a new law that limits your freedom, changes how you live and feel. What do? Do you accept it as fate or do you fight it? Legally, peacefully, and powerfully. Today, I'm going to share with you how yes, you can challenge a law in India if it violates the constitution. Not with violence, not with protest on the street, but something far more powerful, the law itself. This is not just theory. It's the same process that brought down Section 66A of the IT Act in Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. The same weapon that legalized privacy in Justice case Puttaswamy versus Union of India. And it starts with three words: Public Interest Litigation. The Constitution is not just a book. It's a shield for your rights. When laws cross the line, courts have the power to strike them down. But courts don't act on their own. They act when we act. That's where PILs come in. Public interest litigation is like a key to the courtroom for every citizen. Not just for lawyers, not just for the rich and powerful. It's your democratic weapon. Silent but sharp. When I studied my first PIL case in law school, I realized something profound. Real change doesn't always start in the parliament. Sometimes it starts in the courage of an ordinary citizen who says, "This is not right," and that could be you. Okay, let's get practical. How do you challenge a law? Here's the process in simple steps. Step 1. Check standing and grounds. You don't need to be personally affected, but the cause must affect the public at large. Grounds: violation of fundamental rights. Article 14, 19 and 21 ultra-vires the constitution or arbitrary laws. An example here is in Shreya Singhal's case, which took place in 2015. The law restricted free speech, violating Article 19(1)(a). Step 2. Choose the right court. If you are challenging a central law, go to the Supreme Court under Article 32. For state laws, file under Article 226 in the High Court. An example here is Puttaswamy's case, started as a petition under Article 32. Step 3. Draft the PIL format. Mention facts, grounds and prayers clearly. Keep it specific, not emotional. You can attach copies of the law, news reports, expert opinions. A tip here is to use simple language. Courts appreciate clarity, not jargon. Step 4. File and serve notice. File the PIL in person or through e-filing, which is available in most high courts. Pay a nominal court fee, which is usually under 500 rupees. Serve a copy to the government advocate. Step 5. Interim relief and hearing. Courts can stay the law temporarily if urgent harm is shown. Final hearing may take time, but landmark decisions often start with interim relief. This process is not theoretical. It has dismantled laws that stood for decades. It's slow, yes, but justice often walks before it runs. Let me share two quick stories that show the power of this process. Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, a 2015 case. It's where a young law student challenged Section 66A, which criminalized online speech. Her courage led to the Supreme Court striking it down as unconstitutional. In case Puttaswamy versus Union of India, a 2017 case, a 91-year-old man filed a PIL saying privacy is a fundamental right. People laughed at him at first, but the PIL gave India the landmark judgment on privacy. These cases remind us that law listens when citizens speak. Age, profession, background, none of it matters as intent and persistence. Here's the truth. Fighting an unconstitutional law is not just about winning in court, it's about what it does to you. It forces you to reflect, what kind of country do I want to live in? What kind of rights I am willing to protect, not just for me, but for everyone. When you file a PIL, you're not just correcting a law, you're contributing to the moral fabric of the nation. Think of the Constitution as a compass. It shows the direction, but someone has to walk that path. That someone could be you. Here are some practical tips before you file a PIL. Always research first. Frivolous PILs are dismissed with costs. Consult a lawyer if possible, but you can file it in person. Gather public support. Media and petitions can amplify your case. Be patient. This process takes time, but justice delayed is still justice delivered. If you believe a law is unjust, don't just complain it on social media. Take the first step. Your voice in court could become the reason India takes a leap forward. And if you want more practical guides on law and rights, hit subscribe. Share this video and drop your thoughts in the comments. Which law do you think needs to be challenged today? Let's start the conversation together. Don't just watch history, be a part of it. Hit subscribe because every week I break down complex legal battles into steps that you can actually use. Your awareness today could change someone's future tomorrow. Take care. Bye.